Welcome to Acharya Private Tutor. Please like and share if you like the video. Let's start the climate of India factor affecting the climate of India. Climate refers to a 1, generalized 2, composite picture of the average weather conditions spread over a long period for a given large area. The factors which influence the climate of India: 1. Himalaya. 1. The Himalayas form a climatic barrier separating the Indian subcontinent from the rest of Asia. 2. The Himalayas A. prevent the cold Siberian winds from entering the Indian region. B. And from India becoming cold desert. C. But they also force the moisture-laden southwest monsoon winds to shed rainfall in India, or else India would be a dry region. 2. Varied relief. 1. Relief plays an important role in the climatic condition. A. Ghats. 1. The Western Ghats gets heavy rainfall on the western side. 2. Because they stand in the way of SW monsoon winds. 3. Which come from the Arabian Sea. 4. On the other hand, Deccan Plateau gets less rainfall as it lies in the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. 5. In Rajasthan A. The Aravalli Ranges is parallel to the direction of the southwest monsoon winds, so it is unable to stop the moisture-laden winds. This makes Rajasthan a dry region. 6. Assam Southern Hills gets heavy rainfall, but northern hills do not get heavy rainfall. This is because the southern hills force the moisture-laden winds to shed their moisture before they proceed northwards. 3. The monsoon winds. 1. It has universal effect in bringing summer rains over the whole South Asia. 2. Low pressure system. The air rises in atmosphere. 3. High pressure air is descending, reduces cloud formation. 3. During summer A. Winds move quickly into peninsular India towards the low pressure system of northwest India from 1. Arabian Sea. 2. Bay of Bengal. B. The moisture carried by these southwesterly winds from 1. Arabian Sea. 2. Bay of Bengal bring rain to A. Entire subcontinent. B. Leaving Tibet dry in rain shadow. 4. The southwest monsoons start retreating A. By the end of September from A. Punjab and B. Uttar Pradesh. By October from central India, and by the end of November from South India. Retreating monsoon brings rain in eastern coastal region. During winter. 1. Dry offshore winds, because that do not arise from water bodies. Dry offshore, northeast monsoon winds blow from high pressure to low pressure region, which is centered at the head of Bay of Bengal. 2. These winds originate in A. Mongolia. B. Northwest China. 3. As they blow over a vast landmass, they are cold and dry. 4. A. Cold and B. Dry winds join the trade winds to pass over the Bay of Bengal. C. They pick moisture from the Bay of Bengal to bring rain in Tamil Nadu in winters. 4. Latitude. 1. The Indian subcontinent is divided into two parts by the Tropic of Cancer. Temperate zone/subtropical zone. 1. The warm temperate or subtropical climate of northern zone gives A. Cold winter season. B. Hot summer season. C. Does not have the midday sun. D. Sun almost vertically overhead during any part of the year. The southern tropical zone of India A. is warmer than the north. B. Does not have clear-cut winter season. Southern zone. 1. Has midday sun. 2. Almost vertically overhead at least twice every year. 5. Altitude. 1. There is a decrease of 10 C for every 166 meters rise in height, because temperature decreases as you move to higher altitudes. 2. So mountains are cooler than the plains. For X. A. Ooty has much lower temperature than Kochi. Because of the altitude. 6. Influence of the surrounding seas. 1. India is flanked by 3 water bodies: A. The Indian Ocean. B. Bay of Bengal. C. Arabian Sea, which have profound impact on climate, especially in areas lying close to the sea. 2. These water bodies act as A. the major source of moisture to summer monsoons. B. Bring heavy rainfall to the whole area. In fact, it is because of the nearness to the sea that these areas have a moderate climate. Western disturbances. 1. The weather conditions during winter are generally influenced by the distribution pattern of pressure in Central and West Asia. 2. In the winter season, due to the shifting of pressure belts, horizontal air pressure on the latitude A, westerlies of wind blow from the west, blow from 20 N 0 to 500 N latitude, and B. North India comes under the influence of 1. Winds, and 2. Cyclones rising from Mediterranean Sea. C. These cyclones bring rain to and snow. 1. Northern plains. 2. In Jammu and Kashmir in India. Q.1. What is tropical depression? Answer: when a low-pressure area is accompanied by thunderstorms that produce a circular wind. Low pressure means that air to rise, produce clouds and condensation. It tend to be well-organized storms. Extra notes: Cyclonic System 1, temperate cyclone A, active in winter. B, drawn into northwest India from Mediterranean Sea. C, as they enter from the west called as western disturbance. D, causes winter rainfall over 1, Punjab 2, Haryana 3, western Uttar Pradesh. E, snowfall in 1, Jammu and Kashmir 2, Uttarakhand 3, Himachal Pradesh. 2, tropical cyclone A, active in October and November during the season of retreating monsoons. B, originate over the Bay of Bengal. C, in October to November, tropical cyclones brings A, widespread rain. B, destruction of life and property along the east coast of India. Jet streams 1, are cold-blowing winds that develop in the upper layer of the atmosphere. 2, they influence the climate of India. Jet streams 3, the westerly jet stream prevails over A, North Indian plains during the winter months. 4, the easterly jet stream steers tropical depression over India. 5, these depressions play a significant role in the distribution pattern of the monsoon rainfall in the subcontinent. The highest rainfall occurs along the track of these depressions. Distance from the sea. 1, places near the sea or coast have moderate/maritime climate, because A, these places come under the influence of sea and land breezes. 2, on the contrary, place away from the sea having an interior location do not experience A, moderating effect of sea. B, such area experience extreme temperature, that is 1, very hot in summer. 2, equally cold in winter. Thus they have continental climate. 3, Mumbai has lower range of temperature than Delhi, because it is located close to sea. 4, the surrounding water bodies like A, the Bay of Bengal. B, the Arabian Sea. C, the Indian Ocean exert moderating effect on coastal plains. 5, provides copious amounts of moisture for formation of A, local storms in summer, normal rainfall from southwest monsoon. El Niño effect. 1, is a warm ocean current. 2, sometimes appears off the coast of Peru in South America during the month of December. 3, it increases A, the surface temperature of the sea. B, affects the movement of monsoon winds in the Indian Ocean and causes weak drought-like situation in the Indian subcontinent. Monsoon phenomena and its mechanism. 1, monsoon winds are A, periodic, or B, seasonal winds. 2, wind system. A, the summer monsoon. B, the winter monsoon. 2, they develop because of differential A, heating, as well as B, cooling of the land and sea. Summer monsoon. 1, in summer, A, the land gets heated more than sea. Hence, a center of low pressure develops on the land. 2, over the adjoining sea. A, the air is comparatively cool, and B, a high pressure develops there. This causes the wind to blow from the sea to land. It is the summer monsoon. 3, in A, May. B, June, the plains of Indian subcontinent. C, July are heated by vertical rays of the sun. 4, the intense heat develops a low pressure. 5, during these months, a high pressure develops over the Indian Ocean. So the wind blow from the Indian Ocean northward and northwestward into Asia. 6, as they blow from sea to land. A, they bring heavy rainfall in some parts of the Indian subcontinent. B, the summer monsoon winds blow southwest, so they are known as